Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to add chat to a project in ChatGPT in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to put chat in the ChatGPT folder, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To add a chat to a project in ChatGPT, first of all, open the ChatGPT app on your mobile device or on your computer. Once you are on the main screen, find the chat you want to move into a folder or project. Now, tap on the three dots menu icon in the top right of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear with different options. From here, tap on Add to Project. A list of your existing folders or projects will appear. Select the project or folder where you want to add this chat. After you select, the chat will be moved and placed inside that folder. Now, you can easily find and organize your chats inside projects.